Hello, my name is Sabrina, and today I want to mention a few ways that you can improve your speaking fluency, a few activities that you can do. So obviously, if you want to improve your speaking, the best way to do that is by speaking. And you can do this in a few ways. Obviously, if you don't have the opportunity in your daily life or in your working day, you need to go and find opportunities. If you are by yourself and you prefer or you don't have the opportunity to speak with anyone else, you can read aloud. And doing this, you will hear your own voice, you will practice the words, and you will practice the pronunciation. And you can record yourself and listen back and see how you're doing and what you need to improve. If you can find someone to do a language exchange with. There are several websites there are lots of websites that you can find that will help you do this. One that I recommend is Tus Clases Particulares. I will leave the link below to help you. And on this, you can look for people to do an exchange with, or you can put up an advertisement yourself to do the exchange. There are other websites. I'll put two below that I know of that you can do this. And the advantages of this are that you can find someone who wants to learn your language and you want to learn their language, and you can spend your time talking in these languages and correcting each other, which is great. The disadvantage is that you spend more time in learning. And also you have to be careful that you have a fair exchange of language. So the way to do this could be to make an agreement beforehand and say, for example, 30 minutes in English, 30 minutes in Spanish or the other language. And in this way, it's fairer for both people. The advantage obviously as well is that you're not paying anything, so it's free, and you're also meeting people and learning about new cultures, which is great. The other way obviously to improve your language is to go to classes. So with this as well, you need to be careful of a few things. If you join a class that's very big, you may not have the opportunity to speak. You need to be sure that it's actually a speaking class. And then if you join a one-to-one class, it's going to be more expensive. So actually we have a solution. We have group classes that are a maximum of 4 students, often maybe 2-3 students, and they have the opportunity to speak the whole class because our classes are speaking classes. You don't write in the class unless you like to take notes. Maybe we have a short dictation exercise or something. But the class is centered on improving your English through speaking. And this is by doing speaking exercises, practicing grammar points or vocabulary or professional topics, but all through speaking, role plays and exercises. And this class, because there's 4, the price is divided over 4 people. So it's cheaper as well. It's only $9.50 per hour. And you will see results very quickly. Your confidence will increase and your fluency will increase and you will make less mistakes. So if you want more information about these classes, please see the link below and contact us, and we can talk to you and see if you can fit your schedule with ours and improve your speaking. So see you soon.